Hello and welcome back to today's video. So we're here at Congleton's Canal and this is quite local to me and I've not fished here before, so hopefully it will do me well. My first time fishing here, but my mate's fished here for quite a while now. He's had some mega pike, he's had some mega perch, so I'm meeting him in about 10 minutes, so I'm going to have a wander around, just have a loop round. So he's going to show me all the best spots, all the best tactics for this stretch of the canal. So fingers crossed he can get us a few fish on the bank. And my first ever pike, because I've never had a pike, and you can't really see it here, but we had so much snow last night and most of it melted by the morning, so most of it's gone by now, but I'll show you some cool pictures that I got this morning of the snow. So yeah, what I've got is my little rod, my little reel and my little perch net. On my back I've got my unhooking mat, my tripod, and then my bag with all like my lures in and camera stuff, food. And yes, so I'll have a wander, wait for my mate, and when I've got the rod out, I'll let you know.
I got my rod in the water and I started casting up and down the canal. So I was casting, giving it about 5 minutes casting each spot and then moving to a different spot. And then eventually I was just casting in this spot here and I got a tug. So I struck the rod and reeled it in, and this is what I saw. So the jig was snapped in off, so I casted in the exact same spot again, and then this happened.
First pike of the session. Come on. Oh, and it's in the net. Let's go. It's not too bad. Right, hey, that's probably the biggest of the session. Right, we'll get on the hook and mat and we'll have a look. Right, so my first little pike. It's not a huge pike at all, probably barely even a pound, but it's my first pike ever. It hit well and it fought well, to be fair. But yeah, first pike, we'll get it back in, hopefully have a couple more before we finish. Right, so we'll get it back in the water. Hopefully have another one soon. Right, first thing of the session. And it's in. Let's go. It's my first one of these as well. I've literally not had one of these before. As you can see, absolutely stunning fish here. You can see its fins here, got its gills there, absolutely mega. So we'll get it straight back. I'll probably say about 10 pounds. So we'll put it back. Hopefully catch another one of them soon. Ooh. Right, I'm going to keep it at the spot for a bit then, because it's working out. But yeah, jokes aside, that barge has gone past now and it will mess up the stretch of the canal for about 20 minutes now. But all of them will go to the margins, so what I need to do, I just need to keep casting at the margins. Right, so the rod and reel I am using the Kuruma, I think that's how you pronounce it, the Kuruma snapper rod, and then I'm using this little yellow reel that I got in Corfu when I was on holiday once. I got it with a little telescopic rod just to do a bit of luring on the coast. Didn't catch anything. That was like a year and a half ago. I was very new to fishing. So that's the rod and reel I'm using. I'm using the snapper, and I'm also getting the snapper reel, unhooking mat and the net to match everything. So I'll have the full Kuruma snapper set, and if you're looking to get into a bit of pike fishing, perch fishing throughout the winter, I'd definitely recommend Kuruma snapper. It's a really good bit of kit, especially if you're just starting out, because it's nice and cheap. Hopefully we can have another fish soon anyway. Yeah. I thought this was a land, not gonna lie. It's not too big, it's not bad though. Oi! Biggest one of the day. Oh, let's go. Chuffed with that. What a pike. This is a mega little pike as well. A bit bigger than the last one, not huge either. But super chuffed, second pike ever in my life. The second pike of the session. But super chuffed with it, got some mega colours, the stripes on its tail and everything. Definitely been fun coming out here fishing for pike for my first time ever, and definitely be coming out very soon. So if you like me fishing for pike and you like this content, comment down below and I'll do more of it. But I've absolutely enjoyed myself. This might be my last bite, but hopefully not. So soon we'll probably start heading back, walking towards where we came from, and we'll be casting and still fishing as we get there. But yeah, we'll get this pike back and get some pictures. 2.6 pounds and the sling weighs about 1.4, so it's about 1.2 pounds. Not too bad. Right, we'll get it back. Mega little pike, we'll get him back.
At this point I was on 2 pike, and this was another pike that my mate had, and he was on 5 pike now. So we came back to where we first started on the stretch of the canal, because we were literally about to go and we were having a few more casts left. And the best thing happened that could have possibly happened, so I'll just let the video explain it now. The wind was really bad in this clip, but I hooked on to a big perch, and I've never caught a perch on a lure before, and it was absolutely huge and it was so cool. I've never even had a big perch before, so let's get it on the mat and let's weigh this huge perch.
So I've got an absolute mega of a perch. I'm getting weigh this as well because it's absolutely huge. I've never even caught a perch big enough to take a lure this big, and this came out literally the last 5 minutes, just about to pack up, just about to get in the car, and I got this out on the last few seconds, and it's absolutely mint. So we'll wait and see what it weighs.
So we zeroed out the sling and we weighed it, and it was just over 2 pounds, and I was so happy to catch my first 2 pound perch.
So thanks very much for watching this week's video, and if you have enjoyed and you do like me doing this kind of content, pike fishing, catching perch and just lure fishing in general, comment down below and I'll try to do it as much as I can. I've been enjoying getting out on the canal fishing for these new fish that I've not fished for in the past at all, so it's really fun for me. I caught a huge PB perch in this video. I've also caught a PB pike, even though it wasn't big, but I've only caught them 2 pike in my life. But that perch was super chuffed with, and it was an amazing way to end this session. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure you go support me, like, subscribe and comment down below. And if you've got any suggestions that you'd like to see me doing on the bank, I will try my best to get on to and do it. So thanks for watching this week's video, and I'll see you in next week's video.